Introduction and Overview. The modern world is full of distractions that prevent us from doing our best and from finishing our work efficiently. The complexity of the task, the news, personal commitments or matters, and more. Even when we do finish our tasks, we feel drained and discouraged from moving forward. If you relate to this, we highly suggest you read David Allen's book, Getting Things Done. Here, Allen will teach you the art of stress-free productivity and encourage you to really finish your work without compromising your energy, passion, and time. But beyond time management, he teaches you attention management and strategies to improve your focus and ability to move forward, despite many distractions in your environment or brain, through years of validated scientific studies. This book is ideal for you if you quickly get distracted or just want to improve your overall task or management system. Here are the top 7 lessons from David Allen's Getting Things Done. Lesson 1. Cultivate a system. To be consistently productive, you need to incorporate your plans and actions into a system. Without a system, you might be left clueless or overwhelmed when something unexpected or urgent comes up and distracts you from the work you're doing. On the other hand, creating a system equips you with a ready mindset, capable of any surprises. If you're new at creating task systems, or if you want to improve your current one, you can try the Getting Things Done GTD system by David Allen, which provides 5 phrases for you to take action or get ideas from it. Basically, the system suggests you go through the following 5 phases. 1. Capture what has your attention. 2. Clarify what they mean and how to address them. 3. Organize the results. 4. Reflect the options based on the results. 5. Engage with the most suitable option. Note that these 5 phases are intricately linked and depend on each other, so you can't do all 5 steps simultaneously. If you don't practice each step, it may remain unaddressed or become a backlog that will pile up with other tasks, leaving you forgetful or overloaded in the long run. Lesson 2. Assess why you are distracted. Ask yourself why you're distracted and how you can address it. If you don't know the intended outcome, clarify it with your supervisor or look at the bigger picture of how your task is essential. If you're undecided about the next step, talk about it with a colleague or ask for insight from others. If you're overloaded, ask others for help by delegating tasks you can trust them with. Indeed, acknowledging distractions is the first step to getting rid of them. Lesson 3. Write your worries down. Allen suggests that the best way to start focusing is to write all your distractions, anxieties, and tasks down where you can, whether it's a notepad or an app on your phone. Imagine your brain as a computer. As simple as it sounds, writing your thoughts down is like freeing space up in your brain to allow more energy, focus, and creativity to finish your tasks. Thus, writing your worries down before starting your work prepares you to be productive. Once you see your worries externally, you get a better grasp of how to make progress on them and think of ways to remove them from your list further. Lesson 4. Practice the 2-minute rule. This lesson from Getting Things Done can amazingly increase your productivity. The 2-minute rule suggests that as you feed tasks into your task system, you can promptly sort and confront smaller tasks before diving into bigger or more significant tasks. These small tasks can be planning, replying to emails, scheduling meetings, and many more. The rule is if you can finish them in under 2 minutes, do them now. Getting small tasks out of the way will help you be less distracted and more focused on bigger tasks at hand when you're ready. Lesson 5. Identify steps and actions. Once you have a list of the things you need to do or address, you should identify steps and actions to get them done. This further lets you have a solid grasp of the bigger picture of when your work is done. Suppose you're working on a project. Instead of just waiting for the deadline to come around the corner to start working, you can use placeholders to remind yourself what goals or steps you need to accomplish to fulfill that project and reserve your energies for them. Placeholders are also great reminders for the progress you've made and still need to make the complete project. Lesson 6. Blend life and work together. Because of technology, work-life balance has become an illusion. Work today permeates all parts of our lives mainly because we have phones and the internet, so other people can reach us anytime. Even when we've finished work and stay at home, there's still housework to do. Allen thus provided that you should accept this reality, and instead of separating your personal and work lives, you should extend your task system to your life or personal tasks, such as housework. By doing so, you'll also be more productive at home, and you can practice further improvement of your system. Lesson 7. Review your accomplishments. Allen suggests you conduct a weekly review and make time to gather and process your accomplishments that week. This weekly habit can help you stay present in the moment, especially when you take a break and relax. By renegotiating yourself with your commitments, not only will you make time for yourself, but you can make room for other commitments, such as your family and hobbies too. You can also use this time to review your system, update your lists, and evaluate what worked for you and what didn't. This will further improve your system and your productivity in the coming days or weeks of your work. In conclusion, what makes Getting Things Done one of the best self-help and self-improvement books in the market over the years is how it remains relevant despite changing times. It's filled with many takeaways that continue to be applicable in all aspects of our lives, whether it's for school, work, or personal affairs. The simple idea of creating a system that allows you to be more free and productive at the same time is an act of kindness you can do to yourself and others who look forward to you making more time for yourself and for them. We highly recommend this book to people who want to transform how they do things by adapting actionable strategies to improve their lives. Thank you for listening. If you like the book summary and you want to see more in this category, please like and subscribe so I can create more. You can also get a free copy of the entire audiobook by clicking the link in the description. Until next time.